What if a Google Maps search could become a structured local business dataset in seconds? In this real Apify test, 12 coffee shops in Guayaquil were collected in 14.1 seconds for a finalized cost of 4.82 cents. Every result included a phone number, address, coordinates, and rating. The value is not simply copying map listings. A structured data set lets you compare businesses at once. A sales team can identify contactable prospects. An agency can map competitors and digital gaps. A market analyst can compare categories, ratings, review volume, locations, and opening hours without manually opening every listing. The Actor is Google Maps Scraper by Compass, maintained by Apify. At verification, its public data showed a 4.7 rating from more than 1,600 reviews, over 528,000 total users, and roughly 35,000 monthly users. Pricing was advertised from $1.50 per thousand places, depending on plan and options. The successful input was intentionally small. One search term, coffee shop, one location, Guayaquil, Ecuador, 12 places, and English output. Reviews, contact enrichment, social profiles, and competitor analysis were left off. Starting with the base fields makes it easier to validate relevance and understand cost before enabling paid add-ons. The run used an item limit of 12 and Apify's minimum configurable cost ceiling of 50 cents. It completed successfully in 14.1 seconds, returned exactly 12 rows, and finalized at $0.0482. The ceiling was a safety limit, not the amount charged. Coverage was strong in this sample. All 12 places included a phone number, street address, coordinates, and rating. 7 included a website. The output also contained category, Google Maps, URL, place ID, opening hours, review count, price information when available, images, and operational status. The dataset immediately exposed a market snapshot. Average rating was 4.74. The 12 businesses represented 2,153 reviews, while the median business had only 28.5. The largest listing had more than 1,000 reviews, showing a very uneven visibility landscape. That difference creates useful segmentation. Businesses with phones and no website may reveal a digital presence gap. High review volume can identify established competitors or partnership targets. Lower visibility does not automatically mean a weak business, but it gives you a focused list for research instead of an unfiltered map. A practical workflow is simple. Run a small location sample. Remove irrelevant categories and duplicates. Keep only the fields your team needs. Export to Excel, CSV, JSON, or Google Sheets. Then enrich only the shortlisted businesses. This controls both cost and data volume while keeping the process repeatable. Pricing deserves careful attention. The public page displayed a starting rate, while this 12-place run cost 4.82 cents with no paid add-ons. Subscription tier, selected filters, place details, reviews, leads, social profiles, and competitor analysis can change the final cost. Use public business data responsibly and respect applicable rules. To test Google Maps, Scraper yourself, open the first link in the description. It takes you directly to the Actor on Apify through an affiliate link at no additional cost to you. Begin with one search term, one location, and 10 to 20 places. Validate the dataset before increasing volume or adding enrichment.